Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We're making chocolate cantaloupe musubi for Appies with Chappy by the lake. See here how I made it. Alright, so I got my chocolate cantaloupe musubi and we need a drink to go with it. We're just going to do a quick shooter today, or a shot. This is called a Honolulu Hammer. So we'll go 1 part amaretto, two parts vodka, and then we're just going to finish it off with some pineapple juice. And that's a Honolulu Hammer to go with my chocolate cantaloupe musubi. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. We'll see you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.